Hello, we are back in Sapphire 2024 Barcelona. We have now with us Pierre-Francois Huet, who is SAP Ecosystem Lead for France. Good morning, Pierre-Francois.
Good morning, Juan.
And first question we want to ask you is, based on all the announcement and the strategy that has been shared with SAP, what's your view on the announcement that SAP has done?
I think that's nothing really new because we knew that this move to cloud was happening, is still happening, and will go faster, so we are quite aligned with that. The other announcements about the AI are totally aligned with our strategy. We will be there and we will make announcements next week in SUSE in Berlin. So stay tuned for announcement about AI and move to cloud. It's something we have been doing with them for years now, first on the private clouds and on public clouds, and now on the rise. So we have been there, and it's nothing new to us, and I think that for SAP and the ecosystem, it's very reassuring to see that we are constant, we are always there consistent with the SAP strategy.
And as part of that strategy, how you see the fit of things like Rancher Prime inside the SAP integration cell?
Okay. That is a great story because when you are working BTP, you may want to have the choice, or you have no choice to be on-prem for some integration or running some part of the software, which is very cool with the EIC, Edge Integration Cell from SAP, is that it's certified, validated, it's proven on Kubernetes, and this Kubernetes is something that is supported and promoted by SUSE for years now. So we have the best fit between a good professional supported Kubernetes distribution and Rancher Prime on EIC. So you can be moving to RISE, you can be developing an BTP and still be assured that all the open source software is still by SUSE, which is a rock solid for SAP since maybe 20 years, 25 years now.
Okay, it's cool. It's cool to see that we are fully aligned with SAP's strategy. And now you take care of the French market. Obviously, can you give us some update about things that you are developing, things you are doing in France?
Yeah. First, about the dynamics of the French market, which every French know. What we have not invented, we question. So the adoption of the the move to cloud, private cloud, or hyperscalers has been a bit slower sometimes in France than in other countries, more adventurous like the Nordics. But now SAP is accelerating, move to cloud, move to RISE. So we are very happy to see that the hyperscalers, that the RISE numbers are growing. And a lot of concerns from the customer are about security. The 24 and maybe 25, maybe the year afterwards, will still be very concerning about security, and we are very proud, very happy to give options, whether it is pure security, whether it is high availability, whether it is confidential computing. There is not a way you can see at security without being able to find a solution with SUSE and SAP and the ecosystem that I salute and I thank, because we transact, we operate, we really do the business with the ecosystem and integration partner, hosting partners. All these partners are essential to us, and we'll have a partner day in France on the 4th of July. So log on the SUSE.com event, it's a website, and register for that.
Okay, thank you. You have spoke about the customer and partners, and what about the users? Which are the activities you have planned for users in France for the remainder of the year?
Yeah, we have invited quite a number of customers to attend the SUSECon next week, but the main event, and we know that because it is in French, it is a very powerful SAP user group. It's the USF, and the USF will be held in October as usual. So we will have our booth, as we have been doing for maybe the 12 last years. We will have customer testimonials. We will have cool stuff to distribute, as always, with chameleons on it. And it will be really the place where we meet all the customer, end user partners, SAP, and it's a very nice community, and all the French who have been attended the USF for years know that. So will be there, and you will be welcome on SUSE booth.
Okay, thank you so much, Pierre-Francois, for your update. And thank you, everybody, and stay tuned. And remember to register for next week's SUSECon, where we will be delivering more updates about SUSE strategy and all the things we will do with SAP. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.